Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to speed up video in CapCut. Let's go! Be it an ad or a casual post, combine amazing transitions with speed editing to enrich your video footage. To convey the excitement of a fast-tracked clip, you may need to slow down a bit with Slow-Mo Video Editor. The speed editing option in CapCut helps you achieve this. First of all, open up the CapCut app. Then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start a new project and import a random video from my gallery to edit. Once you've imported the video that you want to speed up, just tap on that video. Now from the bottom, tap on Edit. Then simply tap on Speed. After that, tap on Normal. So now you have the ability to speed up your video up to 100 times. Depending on your video, move this slider anywhere you like. Then tap the check mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. To apply this effect to your video, so this is exactly how you speed up videos using CapCut on your mobile device. Now you'll be able to make time-lapse videos and any other regular videos with incredible ease. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.